Would have been pretty bad to break a leg on an island by myself. Hello friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I am here again to have a little bit of fun. I would say one of the most enjoyable parts of my month is opening the Cache Crate, the May 2020 Cache Crate. If you don't know what this is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance, she's a geocacher, she knows what geocachers love, packs up geocaching related goodies, and then they get sent to my house, and then I in turn unbox them for you monthly so you can see what it's like. All right, I have a knife and I'm going to open it right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the presentation, I say it every single month, but it is really so good. I mean, the box actually looks like a real crate. It is designed by Chris Mackey, a geocoin designer, and apparently also a box designer. What's inside will get you outside. That is so true. Oh yes. First thing I'm seeing is a book by my dear friend, Memphis Mafia, a geocaching challenges book. I already have a copy of this, so now I have 2 copies, so I might have to give this away to somebody, but an excellent book. Everything and anything you wanted to know about geocaching challenges, but were afraid to ask, is in this book. It has stories, it has pictures, it has examples of different kinds of challenges, and as word on the street, there's hidden trackables inside of it. I'm filming this on June 1st, and that means Memory Lane, the new geocaching souvenir promotion, has just started. It goes all the way to the end of the year. If you don't know what a souvenir promotion is, you have to find a certain amount of caches or a certain kind of caches to get points, and when you get enough points, you get souvenirs. And this year's is called Memory Lane, and I got a patch, and I got a Memory Lane patch. I really love the artwork on this. Truth Corner, I was just on the geocaching website, and I saw that they also had geocoins of this. I haven't looked, but maybe the Memory Lane geocoin is in here as well. That would be really amazing. Not looking. What is this? Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, this is very useful. This is the H20 E-Pocket Max. Most people nowadays use their phone for geocaching, and sometimes our phones are waterproof, sometimes they're not. And if you want to go out and do those kayak caches to those islands, you need something to protect your phone. So this is perfect because there was a few island caches that I wanted to kayak to, and I have yet to do that. So the next time I'm out on the water, I will for sure use this. Very useful. Next thing. Ooh, this is interesting. It's like a little bead set filled with little beads and flowers. And there's even, oh, look at there. There's even a compass right there. Compass and bead set. Assemble, decorate, and have fun. Oh my goodness, so we have another project to do. We can make a little like bead kit thing. Maybe we can make it into a trackable. Last month we did that birdhouse, and now we even have more crafts to do. This is funny. So I just read with the bead kit that we decorate this and post it on the Cache Crate Facebook page, and we can be entered to win the Memory Lane geocoin. So there is a chance to actually win the coin. Okay, so I didn't get the Memory Lane coin, but I did get the Memory Lane trackable tag. It's pretty much the next best thing. I can send this out into the wild, or I can hold on to it. I really do love the design. This one was the added trackable because I get the added trackable every month. And what is this? Cache Crate May 2020 word search. The creativity just doesn't stop. Good job, Lisa. People still stuck indoors. You can do a little word search here on geocaching. That's a lot of fun. All right, I got another sticker for my Cache Crate bingo card. Let's see if this one gives me another bingo. Boom! I got another bingo all the way across. All right, if you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. You can either join the waiting list, or if it's open, you can subscribe, and you too can have like a geocaching holiday delivered right to your door every single month. One of the things I love about the Cache Crate is that it truly does inspire me to do things in the geocaching world, to do something maybe even a little bit different. So, because I got the waterproof thing, this inspired me to put my phone inside of it and get in my kayak and find one of those island caches that I've been waiting to paddle my way to. The
Geocache crate comes to the rescue again. I'm at a pond. It's at sunset. It's a beautiful night, and there is a geocache way back there on this island. And you know what? I could have walked to it. I could have walked to it when there was ice, but I'm getting it the hard way. And look at this. My phone's completely protected. First time this year that I've got the old kayak out, so I'm pretty excited. It's a beautiful night to do it. Friends, cash in, trash out, even applies to the water. Not sure if I'm gonna have to actually get out of the kayak or if I'm actually just gonna be able to grab it from the boat. All right, let's row over there. I'm up on the island. I parked my kayak right here. The sun is setting. I'm at ground zero. As you can imagine, there are a lot of mosquitoes. I'm losing daylight. Let's find it. Yep, would have been pretty bad to break a leg on an island by myself. After a good 10-minute search, I spotted it. Not only was there one cache here, but there was two caches, which is really interesting. I'm imagining it went missing one other time, and then they replaced it, and then somebody found the other one. I'm gonna sign both logbooks. I probably won't get two smileys, but I'll sign both logbooks. Logbook number 1 signed, and logbook number 2. All right, it's time to get off this island before I get eaten up by mosquitoes. I can honestly say I would not have gotten my kayak tonight and went over to that island to find a couple pieces of plastic containers, and I'm so glad I did. The ways that geocaching motivates me is amazing. And I have to report that my phone is completely dry. Even if should I do it? Should I do it? Should I dip it in? Should I dip? No, I don't think I need to test it. Thanks so much for watching now. I encourage you to go over here, go and watch another video, and I'll meet you over there for our next adventure.